Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and today I'm going to attempt to knit a beanie in just 24 hours. Okay, it is currently 1 p.m. and I have not started any knitting yet because I've been busy, but it doesn't matter because I am going to start this, okay? This yarn is what I'm going to be using, and it is a worsted weight yarn. It's called Provincial Tweed, and it is from Knit Picks. And the color is Mulled Wine. And it's 250 yards per 100 grams. Now the pattern that I'll be using is called the October Hat by Sloan Rosenthal. And it is a pattern that we got from Kelborn Woolens. And this is not the yarn that is recommended, but Kahila has this pattern and I'm just like, oh my gosh, I need to knit it as a gift knit and I'm very excited. So let's get started. I need to wind this up, firstly. And oh, also, the needles I'll be using will be the C-knit needles because the needles that are used are 3.75 and 4.5. So, let's get started. Oh, let me show you the hat. This is the hat. It's a cabled beanie. I have never knit a cabled beanie before, so I'm very excited. I'm not going to do a pom-pom. I'm just going to do the cabled beanie itself, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, also, this yarn is 80% superfine 80% fine superwash Highland wool, 20% Donegal tweed. Oh, this is going to be so beautiful. Let's get started for real this time. Finished winding up the yarn. It looks so good. I cannot wait to start knitting with this, which I'm about to do right now. So let's get in. I am currently halfway through the brim of the hat. I keep calling it a beanie, but it's called a hat, but I don't call it a beanie. So I'm halfway through the brim of the beanie. I love that it's 2x2 rib because 2x2 rib is the most enjoyable rib ever. Oh. Hello guys. Goodbye guys. 2x2 rib is the most enjoyable rib ever, and this yarn is just working up so beautifully. I love tweed. I love tweed. So since this is half of what the, well, it's not half of what the beanie is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Because I'm supposed to knit 12.5 centimeters, and I'm at 6. 6? Am I just at 6 flat? Well, I'm basically at 7 now. But yeah, so I think that the brim will be like this thick because it's probably going to fold up and that's why it's so long. But I am definitely going to finish the brim, minimum the brim tonight. It just turned 8. It's 8:08 p.m. So tons of time. I am getting so much satisfaction working this up, and I'm loving doing like a little project before working on something big because this is just so fun, and especially since I want it to be a Christmas gift and it's currently December 9th. So tons of time to get it done. And yeah. Anyway, I am someone who does not care to knit gifts, but there's one person who is very knit worthy. And it's not my family members, because my family members know how to knit stuff and they can make their own stuff, okay? So I'm very excited. Anyway, I'm gonna go downstairs and hang out with my sisters and watch some Fortnite. I'm gonna take these gloves off. I put these gloves on and off over the times because I put it on when I know I don't want to take a lot of breaks from my knitting so that I can prevent wrist pain or any pain. I haven't had any pain before, so it's been working for me, okay? And then I'll put them back on later. I'll knit without them for a little bit and then put them on a little later when I know I'm gonna go hammer time. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hello. It's the next morning. I went to sleep. I got most of the way through the ribbing. I just didn't feel like knitting more. I went to bed at like 10 something, whatever. It's currently 7 a.m. So we have like 6 hours to get this entire beanie done. Okay? Can we do it? Let's see.
I worked out to feed them. I be coming to work out short just to feed them. I'm like, fuck you bitches. You either eating late or early. I'd rather you eat early.
Yeah, he's like, so according to my bodily calculations on when I eat snacks after I eat my breakfast, it's time.
Yeah. Basically. In a club with his dinner on his jump, right? And mommy be leaving all this footage in.
Oh my god.
Yes.
If I left the sound on all of my footage, we'll be canceled 10 times over.
Yes. Oh, shit.
People would hate us.
Yep.
Let's freaking go.
It's impossible to hate us. They probably find us so relatable.
Let's freaking do it.
They'd be like, oh my gosh, that's how I be talking shit too. Right. Like, you guys are the realest people on here.
Right. Like, yeah, until we talking about your fuck ass Kanye.
Literally.
Holy crap.
Biatches.
What's up?
Good.
My like trail behind me is so bright.
Hello. It's day 2. Ooh, 24 hours? Where? 48 hours. 48 hours. But I'm at the crown decreases now, and that's just 7 rounds. Yeah, 7 rounds. So that's what I'm gonna do, but this is what it's looking like so far. Oh my god, I'm in love. I'm in love. And look at the brim, you know, you just fold it up. Fold it up like that, and it looks like this. Oh, I cannot wait to block it just so that the cables and the rib can relax, and it'll be like, ooh, yes, yes. Anyway, just let the crown decreases. I'll be done tonight, okay? I only said 24-hour challenge so I can actually like light a fire under my behind to actually finish this so I can go back to my Kintra sweater. It's been like 5-6 days now since I've touched it. So I need to go back to knitting on that. But I'm gonna knit on this and finish the crown decreases and then see the fully finished project. Switch to 32s, we're getting there. Hello, it's the next morning. I decided to just finish the beanie and just go to bed because it was dark and I wanted to, what is that? It was dark and I wanted to show you guys the beanie in the light. So here it is. Oh my gosh. It's unblocked at the moment, obviously, because I just finished it last night. This is it when it's long and unfolded, but obviously who's wearing the beanie like that? Nobody. Okay, so this is how it is. Look at the cable. Hold on, let me flatten it where the cables actually lie next to each other. Okay, there we go. Look at that. Oh my god. Amazing. So you can see the smaller cable. So we had smaller cables next to bigger cables, and it's just so freaking cool. Like, it is such a classic winter beanie, and I cannot wait to give it to the person I'm giving it to. And this is how much yarn I had left. A good amount, which I'm so happy about. And I was on gauge with this. You guys know at this point, I don't ever gauge swatch except when it's for a test knit. And I was on gauge with this, so I'm very happy that this is going to turn out exactly how I wanted it to. And now it's time to pick this sweater back up. But that's all that I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know, such a random vlog, but I needed a little reprieve from my sweater, and now I have enough gas in the tank to continue finishing this sweater potentially today. We'll see what we get done, but other than that, that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!